Welcome to another S&P 500 analysis. Today is July 18, 2023, and this is a midweek edition. Last night, I posted a market recap on what to expect for today's session in my Substack newsletter. I have placed a link in the description below for you to go check it out. So let's do a recap on the market, then we will check out the expectation and the scenario for the coming days. Let's start with this intraday chart of the S&P 500. This is the 3-minute chart. You can see that it opened negative and stayed negative for the first 10 minutes of trading or so. Then it turned positive, and then from there on, it remained positive throughout the entire session. And also looking at the up-down volume ratio, we see that about 90 minutes or so of trading, it reaches the peak of 6.19 to 1. In favor of the up volume, and also the advanced decline. The advanced decline got as high as 1727 after about 60 minutes of trading. So you can see that it also faded a little bit and finished the day with only 1,284 advancing issue, more than over the declining issues. And the up-down volume ratio went from 6.19 down to 2.29 at the end of the session. But there were 186 more new 52-week high than 52-week low. And also the VIX is still down at the 13 level, and the put-call ratio is at the 0.64. Let's go check out what I posted last night and see how well the market played out to what we were expecting. It's going down to here on this S&P 500 chart. We're saying that for the near term, the 45.81 could pose a potential resistance zone, and the 44.12 could potentially serve as a short-term support zone. And here's the chart. Here's the 45.81 up here near 4600, and here's 44.12. Now, we did not see the S&P 500 come down anywhere close to the 44.12, but we'll take a look at how well did it come up to this potential resistance level. And here's the up-to-date chart on the S&P 500. As you can see, it came up to close at 4554.98. And the high for today, the S&P 500 was 4562.30. Now let's take a look at the ES, the E mini S&P 500 future. Here on last night, I posted this chart saying that it's been one-time framing up, in other words, high or low, for 5 consecutive sessions already. And we shouldn't be surprised to see a pullback. But if it continues to push up, then we'd be looking at the prices up here, where this pull high and the naked point of control near this 4600. And if it pull back, then we expect these pull high and the naked point of control below this 4500 will likely get tagged. And as you can see from this updated market profile chart for the ES, it never got close to these lower level here. Today was a trend day, and it came up, and it got almost to this 4600 area. The high was 4594.50, and it put in a pull high. And also there are some single prints between 4583 and 4581, and also 4565 and 3/4 and 4563 and 3/4. So tomorrow we will be looking at the possibility of this pull high get taken out, and if it come up and take out this pull high, we will likely see these pull high and the point of control, naked point of control near 4600 could be taken out as well. Now, if it come down, then we look for the single print to get filled. Then we'll see will it take out this one-time framing up and reverse down to a one-time framing down. And here's the trade plan that I posted last night here, and you can see that on this chart here, I'm basically saying that if we get above this ledge here, then we'll be targeting this 452.72 and then push up to this 454 and above and come up to this 456.56. Now this 454 is pretty much in confluence with the upper range of the weekly expected move. So that's basically what we are looking at right now on any continuation of the upside. And on the downside, say if it get rejected right here near this 451.10, then we'd be looking at the possibility of coming down to this 449.54. And here's what the SPY did. It came up and took out the 452.72, but fell short of coming up to this 456.56. And it put in a pull high here. So tomorrow's game plan is to watch this high here to see would it be able to take out this high and move above this weekly expected move. So if it could get above the 454.85, then I'm targeting 456.56 and 457.83. Now, if it dips below this 453.35 area, this level here, basically coming back into this ledge, then I'm looking for this thing to come down, auction back down to this balance area and come down to this 451.75, 451.76 area here. Then if it breaks this level, then we'd be looking at it to auction back down to this high volume ledge here at the 449.54. So that's the game plan on the upside, 456 and 457, and on the downside is 451 and 449. So that's a quick recap for today's and also some expectation and scenario for tomorrow. Be sure to go check out my newsletter at Substack. And like I said, I have the link in the description below. And be sure to smash the thumbs up to give it a like and help promote this video. And if you are new to this channel, click to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any of future video from me. Thank you for watching and stay safe.